Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, so I felt like everyone owes an explanation why I haven't posted any more content. But basically, if you recall back at the beginning, I bought an airplane for my friend, a lifelong friend, really my best friend, for him to build alongside me. And I also mentioned that he had gotten sick. And anyway, turns out he has a type of muscular sclerosis, and he's lost his job, and he's got small children staying at home. Really feel for him, but you know, I've also lost my build buddy, and I don't think he's really, at least for the time being, unless something changes, he may not be able to finish his plane or to ever fly it. Anyway, so I decided a couple of months ago to start training for the MS-150, which is a bicycle ride to support awareness and raise money for muscular sclerosis. So that's what I've been doing. So for the past couple of months, I bought a new bike, well, new to me, but it is a carbon fiber bike. I had to have carbon fiber. Super light bike. It's a Trek Pilot 5.0 carbon fiber frame, and I paid a few things to have it tuned up and new tires and stuff like that, but nothing crazy till I found out that my tail end was going to hurt so much. So I bought a new seat, a few other things, and then I bought a Camelback, and you know, by the time I was done, I spent a couple $1,000. And the ride is this coming Saturday. So MS-150 is a 150-mile ride. It's broken up into 2 days. If you've never heard about it, I encourage you to go and look it up and read about it and see what it's all about. Muscular sclerosis kind of affects the nervous system, and in particular in the brain, and it has to do with essentially the insulator around the neurons, the myelin sheath gets eroded away or attacked by your own immune system, and so your brain kind of misfires, and it's or slows down the communication. And it's not a terminal thing immediately. People live with it for a long time, but it's pretty debilitating. So anyway, yeah, that's what I've been up to. And I'm going to provide a link at the end of this to go to the MS-150 website. I might ask also if anyone wants to contribute and donate. Money doesn't go to me, but it goes to the MS Society. And yeah, so he's also a pilot buddy. In fact, my friend is the person that I started my very first training with. We used to, when I was in college, do mid-air swaps with the instructor, you know, and get 0.4, 0.5 hours a piece. And yeah, so I'm doing the ride in his honor, and that's what I've been up to. So I haven't been building much. I have been working on some things in the background, and I'll have some content to update after the race. But I've been riding and progressing up to the longest ride I've done was 52 miles in a day, and I think I'm in pretty good shape. I've lost weight too, but wish me luck and stay safe, and I'll start posting some more Landseer content as soon as possible. Thanks, have a blessed day.